Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Rajat from Icon Solar. Hello sir, welcome to EQ International.
Hello, thank you. Thank you for.
Okay, so sir, can you please tell us something about your company and yourself?
So, Icon Solar and Power Technology started in 2014, and this year we have completed 10 years. So, we got a huge experience into manufacturing of panels. We started with a small amount of manufacturing capacity, which was 22, megawatt. But I'm glad to share you that this year, coming year, 2025, we would be 2.2 gigawatt. So I don't know how much time it has, more than 10 times that.
Okay. That's great, sir. And what are you showcasing this year in RAI?
This year we are showcasing Topcon, N-type Topcon with us, and trusted technology monopod is also available, bifacial. So in monopod we are having from 500 to let's say 555 watt peak 144 cell, not 500. From 540 to 555 watt peak we are having in 144 cells, and we are having Topcon from 560 to 590 in 144, and for 156 we are having till 620 watt.
And sir, can you show your product and technology you are using?
So you can see here it's monopod. It's not revolving right now, but I will show you. You can see the next panel, it is Topcon over here. This is bifacial. This we are showcasing. We also have Topcon in the other area. So these all products are available, and we got some orders also this time.
Okay. And sir, what about some expansion you are planning for the next 2025 year?
As I said, we would be 2.2 gigawatt by 2025, and for the next 5 years, we will try to reach 10 gigawatt.
That's great. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.